Welcome to HWM Aston Martin and welcome to a timeless video of this 2018 DB11 Volante. This particular car has travelled 32,000 miles and is finished in Ultramarine black. So introduced on DB11, Ultramarine black was a new colour. It is a black blue, sometimes depending on the lighting you might see it as black, other times it is a very dark blue, but a really pretty colour. Just wanted to run you through some of the specification on this car. It is available on the Timeless programme here at HWM, so do give us a call or visit our website. So, as I say, starting with the colour, Ultramarine black. This particular car does have the lower gloss black body package, so a bit later on in DB11's life, this became an option to have. So that was your front splitter, side sills behind me, and also your rear diffuser on the back. And then you also had the gloss black upper package on these. So that would have been your side strakes here, vents on the bonnet, and then moving you into the window surround around the outside of the car. Moving you around to the front, we do have your standard LED front headlamps for DB11. There was an option to change the badges on DB11. You could have carbon fibre badges, but this particular car has the chrome badging with the white inlay. Very traditional badge, finished off with your gloss black front grille in the front of the vehicle. On the side of the car we have the 5-spoke Y design wheels on this particular car. You did see that a fair amount on DB11 Volantes, but it wasn't around for that long. I do like this designer wheel. And then finished behind here with your red brake calipers, and that will feed into the interior shortly, which you will see. This particular car's got a gorgeous interior, a mix of blue and cream with a red stitching. Once you see it, you'll really appreciate it. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, smoked rear lights, and then finished off with the Aston Martin script logo on the back of the vehicle. This particular car also has the black finished tailpipes and has also been PPF'd as well from new. So there is not really a mark on the vehicle. There might be some heavy stone chipping because it has done 32,000 miles from new, but the overall condition in this vehicle has been preserved by having that done to the vehicle. But let's give you a bit of a spin round and then we'll take you through on the interior. So welcome to this interior on this DB11. This has a really great colourway and specification on the inside. As you can see, we have dark night with cream truffle and a spicy red stitching throughout the whole interior. We also have the perforation on the seats as well as the quilting. That would normally indicate that you've got heated and cooled seats, which is what we do have on this vehicle. Complete with a black carpet, Bang & Olufsen stereo system, and finished off with a satin silver jewellery package throughout the vehicle. But again, if you want further details on this car, do give us a call here or visit our website.